new and latest and important transfers from Chelsea camp. But before we start, guys, let's remind the world once again, as we are shooting this video, 16th July, today's mark the third day Chelsea became the best club in the world. Today marked the 1-2-3 against PSG, 3-0. The third day Chelsea became the best football club in the world. Guys, let's just remind, yes, the world, because they can't forget until 4 years time. No, they can't forget until 2029. So guys, let's come and look at the important transfers from Chelsea camp. The first one from Fabrizio about Nicolas Jackson transfer. This is it, guys. Several clubs have started to move for Nicolas Jackson as his exit from Chelsea remain possible this summer. AC Milan deal currently off, price too high and no intention to proceed. Premier League clubs making initial approaches. Nicolas Jackson is attracting a lot of interest from England and European clubs. Yes. The likes of Manchester United, the likes of Aston Villa and AC Milan. But for Milan own, Chelsea quoted them 100 million and they ran away. You guys selling your players at higher fee. When you come for our players, when we come out with our fee, you then run away. Where are you running to AC Milan? So guys, Nicolas Jackson transfer. Nicolas Jackson leaving to Chelsea, it look like it may happen. It look like it is possible. And see, next season we are going to play, yes, compete, not just play. Premier League, we are going to compete for the Premier League title and the UEFA Champions League to compete. Carabao Cup is there, FA Cup is there. And currently, guys, we have Zilap and Ja Pedro. Yes, and Ja Pedro, who knows who he is. Yes, currently, he doesn't need so many chances before he scores. Clinical Ja Pedro. So currently, yes, we have Ja Pedro 100% ready. And then we have Liam Zilap. And then Nicolas Jackson. And when you look at all this competition we are going to play next season, it looks like we should have more depth. Yes, we should have more depth in our front line. Don't you see that? So Chelsea selling Nicolas Jackson, and now even there is more options. Yes, other options. Yes, so guys, for me, I'm trying to see if I can change my mind about Chelsea selling Nicolas Jackson. And here's the case: Jackson want to stay. Yes, that is the issue. Now, Jackson said that he will stay and prove, yes, and compete with the likes of Liam Delap and Ja Pedro. So if it were to be like Rodrygo's situation, maybe the club want him to stay and he want to leave, then that would be different. But in this case, Jackson want to stay. So Chelsea selling Nicolas Jackson. And see, for Manchester United, they now want to be like us. They now want to be like Chelsea. Yes, they also want to lower the wage structure. So that is why this transfer window, we are not seeing noise from United. They don't want to go for high-profile players, paying exorbitant wages next for nothing. So that is why they want to sign Jackson. Jackson at least 90,000 Jackson will take. Jackson will not ask for more than 150, even 100,000. No. So United, I know. If things get serious, they will come for Jackson. The same as Aston Villa, they also want him, and they have to replace with their striker who went to Arab. Yes, it didn't work. He went to Fenerbahce. The striker that we wanted to sign last season. If you can, what is his name? John Duran. Aston Villa want to replace Duran. So you see these teams, if things get serious, they will come for Jackson. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section. Yes, should Chelsea sell Jackson for now as we are having Liam Delap? Yes, Ja Pedro. Should Chelsea keep Jackson for competition perforce? Yes. And let's come to the next man. Yes, Christopher Nkunku, the balloon man, the Abifrawa man. Yes, let's read from Christopher Nkunku transfer, guys. Barcelona and Bayern and Manchester United have shown interest in signing Nkunku from Nizar Cancela. What a wow. And as I said, Nkunku currently, especially this season, or we are in next season. This season, yes, he is a Club World Cup winner. Nkunku is a Conference League winner. Nkunku is European Trophy winner. So Christopher Nkunku, I know so many clubs will come. And this season, he picked from, I won't lie. Currently, Nkunku is playing well, to be honest. Against Benfica, he came on and gave us, yes, the crucial and the most important goal. Yes, that goal, I like it. I will never forget about it. And Nkunku, I can even tell you that United would like to sign Nkunku more than Jackson. And Barcelona, I will not even talk. They will come, especially if the fee is down because they don't have money. Currently, I'm richer than Barcelona. I'm telling you. They don't have money. Yes. So, guys, you see Barcelona, yes, Manchester United and Bayern Munich. For Bayern Munich, even during the January transfer window, they came. So, these teams, if things get serious, so they will come from Nkunku. But still, I still stand on that, guys. It looks like my mind is changing because, see, next season we now send ourselves to a certain standard as we won or beat this PSG team. Now, a lot of expectation will be on Chelsea next season. So we must have the squad depth to compete. You see, next season, if Chelsea don't do well in the Premier League, they will come for us. The noise we are making around the world, they are just waiting for our downfall. So see, we have to have the squad depth to be able to stand the chance of competing next season. So Chelsea keeping Nkunku, keeping Nicolas Jackson. My mind is changing. But let's see what will happen next. Because as you are buying, you must sell it. You sell, you buy to balance the PSR. If not, that sanction will come. You pay charges. Yes. And let's come to Alejandro Garnacho. Manchester United Messi. Yes, this is the latest transfer from Garnacho. Chelsea are aware of the situation of Alejandro Garnacho as he has to leave Manchester United. Internal discussion continue on option of which Garnacho is one. I don't like my reading. Let me read it again. Chelsea are aware of the situation of Alejandro Garnacho as he has to leave Manchester United. Internal discussion continue on option of which Garnacho is one. Yes, information came earlier that Chelsea want to sign another attacker, yes, be it winger or a striker. So, you see Garnacho, Rodrygo from Aston Villa, even Ekitike is still there. Liverpool and Newcastle, they are pushing to sign him. And Malik Fofana is still available. Yes, we'll come to Ademola Lookman. I don't know the reason why big teams, see, like Manchester United and Chelsea, I can't understand them. Good players are there, yes, available in their face. They are going to sign the players like Rodrygo and Nkunku. Like, I don't know, Ziggy, and I just don't know. Good player as this, experience, trophy winner, who have the experience, won't come to winning major trophies. Charlie, I will come to him. Let's stay with Garnacho. See, guys, Garnacho, Chelsea, our owners, they will sign Garnacho. See, if they don't get any better option, I'm telling you, they are bringing Alejandro Garnacho. And Garnacho, see, he is not a bad player, to be honest. I'm going to be real here. Garnacho is not that bad as we are looking at him. But just that some people are saying because of his attitude problem. And that one I understand. And this is Chelsea. For Chelsea, there you can't show attitude. Jackson, within some 2 seasons, he didn't prove it. Now he's leaving. Rodrygo, within some 1.5 or 2 seasons, he didn't prove it. He's leaving. Even Lukaku himself, we sold him. Eden Hazard, the legendary Eden Hazard left Chelsea. At the end, Chelsea won Champions League. We won Club World Cup trophy. So see, for me, I believe that even Garnacho, upon all the attitude, he can show it in Chelsea. If Garnacho come to Chelsea next season and show attitude, the next season he's leaving. We are selling him. We don't care. We are Chelsea. See, that is why we love Chelsea. For Chelsea, dear, if you come and you are doing well, we'll give you the platform. Look at João Pedro. Now, he's the #1 striker. João Pedro, who is going to bench João Pedro? #1. We don't use sentiment. We won't come to our decision making. So Garnacho coming to Chelsea, for me, I will take him. I won't lie. I will take Garnacho. He's young. And even when you look at the pressure that was put on him at Manchester United, it was more than him. It just looked like the same pressure we put on Jackson and Nkunku last season. These players, yeah, they just came to the league, new in the Premier League, especially a big team like Chelsea. So when you bring Jackson or send Jackson to be your Chelsea #9, you know it's not easy. He can carry it. So for me, I think it is the same way United, they are looking at Garnacho. The way or what they want Garnacho to do, he is not up to that level yet. Garnacho is not up to handling or being Manchester United main striker. So for me, I think since now there's competition in Chelsea, if Garnacho come, he must play well. Yes, Garnacho must play like to perfection. He must play to deserve even playing time. And I can even tell you that is the reason why our brother didn't come. Kudus, because of the competition. If he come, you must play well to bench Neto. If he come, you must play well to bench Cole Palmer before you can start. This is Chelsea. So for me, guys, I think Garnacho transfer to Chelsea. It may sound good. It may sound good. By the way, let me hear from you under the comment section. Your opinion, your thought. Yes, ask Garnacho or Chelsea should sign Garnacho or not. And let's come to Crystal Palace winger Eze, the dribbler. This guy. Hey, that is what I just said. Look at players as Eze, Lookman and Co. They are just there, Isaac and Co. And Chelsea and United, we are going to sign McGill, Kellerman, Hodgho, who, Ziggy. I don't just know. Look at a player like Eze in the Premier League. We are just running, beating about the bush. Just go and pay the money and bring Ezzy. Rodrygo is also there. We are going around signing we and Malik Fofana, young players who will come and adapt. Go and pay the money for Ezzy. Guys, information said that Chelsea open talks to sign Ezzy. Chelsea have entered into new talks a Berachi Ezzy agent about a potential move from Crystal Palace. This transfer will be good. Who will not like it? Chelsea fans, like who will not like? See, even this guy, he can play for any team. Won't come to the see. When he go to Liverpool, he is starting. When he go to United, I will not even talk. He is going to be their captain. When he go to Arsenal, he's going to be their captain. When he come to Chelsea, he must compete to start. Yes, by the way, this guy, he is a very good player, I'm telling you. So let's hope at the end, maybe just to go for him or Garnacho or Malik Fofana. Yes. And let's come to Ademola Lookman. Atlanta is selling Lookman just 40 million. This money, like if I become angry, I can pay it. If I become hungry, I can pay the 40 million for Chelsea. But let's wait and see. Todd Bowley, the man is a stingy man. Because he didn't sign Osimhen and because he didn't sign Kudus. That is why I will not pay the money. If it happened that Todd Bowley signed Osimhen and Kudus, I will just collect this Ademola Lookman transfer and go and pay the 40 million directly. So guys, Atlanta is selling Lookman 40 million, just 40 million. Look at all the money Eketeke they are asking for. Are they going to tell me that Eketeke is better than Lookman? No, no. Even Ezzy and Co. Ezzy is not better than Lookman. Maybe at the same level. But they are selling him almost 70 million. And Lookman 40 million. Premier League teams are going around trying to go and do wrong signings when the season starts and they can't compete. They will now be talking, okay, because Chelsea have Cole Palmer, we don't have Cole Palmer. Because Chelsea have Ja Pedro, we don't have Ja Pedro. That is why we can't compete. Not knowing that they went and did wrong signings upon wrong signings. Look at this player, Lookman, Ademola Lookman. Oh, Charlie, let's hope Todd Bowley man change so that he can go and sign Lookman. Guys, let me hear from you under the comment section about all these transfers we discussed in this video. And yes, another video is coming about my Manchester United brother. You know, as we won the Club World Cup, the success is attracting everybody. United fans are coming, Barcelona fans are coming, Real Madrid fans are coming, Inter Milan fans are coming. So guys, another video is coming about I and my Manchester United brother. I think the first time, yes, different team fan will come on this channel. So please let me hear from you under the comment section, your opinion, your thought, yes, about Chelsea winning the club trophy and all this transfer, Justin, we and who. And please don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care, peace.